Installation and focusing tutorial. Install column fixing ring. Secured with screws on the back. Install round column. Install height positioning ring. Install bracket. Install microscope body. Install eyepiece. Install 0.4x CTV. Install dust-proof lens. Install LED light. Ensure the right eyepiece is in focus, then adjust the left eyepiece to be in focus as well. Turn on the LED lights. Place the object in the center of the light. Make sure to rotate the left eyepiece to 0 degrees. First, right eyepiece observation. Rotate the zoom hand wheel to the minimum magnification. Move the items to a suitable location. Rotate the focusing hand wheel to make the object clear. Rotate the zoom hand wheel to the maximum magnification. Rotate the focusing hand wheel to make the object clear. Rotate the zoom hand wheel to the minimum magnification. Ensure clear vision. If focus fails, please repeat the above steps. Observe the left eyepiece. If it goes out of focus, adjustable diopter to make the object clear. Adjust the interpupillary distance until you feel comfortable. Adjust the tension of the focusing hand wheel. Grab the left side. Rotate the right side. Tighten clockwise and loosen counterclockwise. 4K lens installation. Make sure the microscope has been adjusted to be clear. Then adjust the resolution.